Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Hibernate 6.1 popular ORM software from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Gradle 7.6. So here you can see that I already downloaded Hibernate ORM 6.1 source code zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of the video. So now I am going to extract the content of this Hibernate 6.1 source code zip file. So you can see these are the modules available in Hibernate. So and also you can see some of the Gradle scripts, Gradle wrapper scripts and Gradle scripts are also there. So we are going to execute Gradle build locally. So I am not going to invoking Gradle wrapper scripts. See here, I have already installed Gradle 7.6. This is my Gradle 7.6 directory. Also, additionally, I installed Ant and Maven. So anyway, we need to add Gradle 7.6 bin directory to the Windows path variable. So let me edit the path variable. You can see that Gradle bin directory is added to the Windows path variable. Also Java 11 bin directory also added to Windows path variable. So that Gradle commands and Java 11 commands also will be available in the command line. Okay, now let us start the Hibernate 6 Gradle build. Let me go to the Hibernate ORM 6.1 source code directory in command line. So I'm typing the command Gradle build. That's it. So this will invoke the Gradle scripts as I have shown, and building started. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files and artifacts. Yes, so build is successful. So Gradle build of Hibernate 6.1 is successful. So these are the build logs you can see. So after building, let us navigate the directory. So hibernate-core is a directory where you can see the output. So here you can see that all the compiled classes are there. Yes, so this is the directory where you can see the final build jar, hibernate-core directory target. So we have built the Hibernate 6.1 source code successfully in Windows 10 environment using Gradle 7.6. Make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files and artifacts.